To other news now, today marks the 113th anniversary of the deadly Kingston earthquake. Now, there have been 3 significant earthquakes in the Caribbean in less than a week, with Jamaica sharing the same fault zone as Puerto Rico that was rocked by 2 of the 3 quakes. Should we be concerned? TVJ's Giovanni Dennis reports.
3 earthquakes in 5 days, 2 rocking Puerto Rico alone. Interestingly, Jamaica is perched along the same fault zone as Puerto Rico. So, does this mean Jamaica is more likely to experience one?
We are in a fault zone which runs from Central America right the way out to Puerto Rico. And anywhere along that fault zone is potentially possible to generate a large earthquake.
A strong earthquake is one that is 6.0 magnitude or more on the Richter scale. Professor Simon Mitchell, acting head of the earthquake unit at the University of the West Indies, Mona, concedes that scientists are not able to predict when the earth will quake, but
they will happen over time in different places. Because one happened in one place doesn't mean it's more likely to happen in another or not to happen in another. It's really where the stress builds up.
But how exactly does the stress build up?
Stress is accumulating because the plates are moving. 20 millimeters a year. So if you think of that, 20 millimeters, it doesn't sound much, but that sort of thing. But if you add it up over tens, hundreds of thousands of years, that stress builds up and that's what causes the earthquakes. So we're going to see earthquakes. People sometimes sort of think that if you get lots of little ones, it's good. But that can just put the strain or the stress onto a different fault. And that's what we saw happening in Puerto Rico.
The 6.5 magnitude Kingston earthquake of 1907 was the last major quake to hit Jamaica. Over 1,000 people were killed. It happened on January 14, 1907, exactly 113 years ago today. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.